13 consecutive trade signals. The strategy that changed everything. Can you nail this one? All that is needed is 1 or 2 trade setups per day and be done and dusted. Let's dive right in. In our previous video, we saw price reaching our point of interest, a market void that was completely filled as shown here on the US30 hourly chart. This came on the heels of a liquidity purge, all within a discount zone, signaling a potential turning point in a market. Let's drill down to the 5-minute time frame to observe price action and explore buy opportunities. Switching to the Bulls tab, we can now expect high probability buy signal setups from this zone, following the further analysis conducted in our previous video. We get a new buy signal at 11:50 GMT plus 2 on August 26th as marked here. Note all the trigger times of the buy signals as they are generated. We will also examine each of the signals and annotate the moves accordingly. Be sure to watch our previous video for the full market analysis with 26 consecutive trade signal moves. All winners, if you haven't done so already. And follow along by watching this video until the end. Now, watch how this strong zone has held beautifully, propelling the market higher as the upward momentum becomes more evident. We've kicked off the New York session already, and the market's heating up with a surge in volume, with the London range high being taken out as we speak. We can expect further upward moves until price reaches a higher time frame opposing key level. Examining the signal moves, we measure from either the trigger bar open or the next bar open to obtain the maximum gains. We get a new buy signal at 18:05 after the run of the New York range high and a brief retracement as seen here. And yet another at 18:55. We again get a new buy signal at 19:05. And another at 19:15. We can see the raging bulls are simply not budging, with a new buy signal at 20:25, still within the bears' territory. Let's quickly update these buy signal moves, shall we? There comes another buy signal at 21:10, following the run of the previous swing high and the brief pullback seen here, where we can expect a further upward move. We get a move that takes out the bears' red zone, forming a new zone as shown here. There comes an up thrust beyond our previously marked level, offering an additional 59 points to all the preceding buy signal moves. This now updates to 95 points following a further upward move, where we can quickly edit these figures to reflect the gains. Numbering these as the market draws to a close, you can see we have 13 epic buy signals. With this further upward move, you can see we also got an additional 20 points from our previously marked level. Let's now proceed to update each of the buy signal moves to reflect the 20-point gain. Awesome. Now, if you're finding value in this content, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share, and drop your comments in the designated sections around this video. Note how we got a dynamite signal here. That is signal 13, which offered a 166-point move with literally zero drawdown. Simply epic. As the market reopens, price immediately takes out the previous day high as indicated here. Note all the buy signal trigger times, particularly signal 3, right through to signal 13. Monitor the individual moves on your charts to obtain the maximum gains. And drop these figures in the comment section. As you can see here, we get an additional 10-point move from our previously marked level, which can be added to all the preceding buy signal moves. Here on the hourly chart, we see the market has reached the proximal level of the price gap displayed above, where we can expect a reaction. Observing price action during this phase is advised, with profit taking at this level being a smart move to make. Check out the channel pages and all our playlist videos to gain further insight into our phenomenal trading strategies and mind-blowing hidden gems. You'll also find videos on a variety of markets covering the different styles of trading, be it scalping, day trading, or swing trading. Whatever floats your boat, or dare I say, your yacht. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos and the upcoming free TTAC live sessions. See you in the next one.